Hello everyone, welcome to the new edition of the Science Chef Academy Trivia on Chemistry. I am Charles the Master Chef and I'm delighted to have you around. Today we'll be serving you a freshly prepared menu on electrolysis. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay notified when a new trivia is published. You have 10 seconds to pick the correct answer from options A to D before the time elapses. Let's play. Question 1. The reaction that occurs at the anode when aqueous copper 2 sulfate is electrolyzed using carbon electrodes is A. Hydrogen ions gain electrons to form hydrogen gas. B. Copper 2 ions gain electrons to form copper metal. C. Hydroxide ions lose electrons to form water and oxygen gas. And D. Sulfate ions lose electrons to form sulfur dioxide and oxygen gas. And the correct answer is what? C. Question number 2. What product is formed at the anode during the electrolysis of dilute sodium chloride solution using carbon electrodes? A. Chlorine. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. And D. Sodium. C. Oxygen. Question number 3. Electrolysis is applied in the following processes except A. Electroplating, B. Extraction of aluminium, C. Extraction of iron, and D. Purification of copper. And the answer is C. Extraction of iron. Next question. What quantity of electrons in moles is needed to discharge 2 moles of aluminium from aluminium oxide? A. 2, B. 6, C. 4, D. 1. And the correct answer is B. 6. Question 5. In the electrolysis of molten lead 2 bromide, what is the product at the positive electrode? A. Lead, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, and D. Bromine. And the answer is D. Bromine. Question 6. Which of the following statements is or are correct about tin plating? 1. The electrolyte must be a soluble salt of tin. 2. The object to be plated is made the cathode. 3. The anode is made of tin. 4. The negative electrode dissolves. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. And D. 1, 2 and 4 only. And the correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 7. If 2 metallic ions of the same concentration migrate to a graphite cathode, the one that would be preferentially discharged is the one that has the A. Smaller mass, B. Lower electrical charge, C. Greater stability in solution, and D. Stronger tendency to accept electrons. And the correct answer is D. Stronger tendency to accept electrons. Question 8. Which of the following ions require the largest quantity of electricity for discharge at an electrode? A. 2 moles of Q3+, B. 2.5 moles of R2+, C. 3 moles of T-, and D. 4.0 moles of Y-. And the answer is A. 2 moles of Q3+. Question 9. 5 metals represented by the letters V to Y are arranged in order of their reactivity as shown on the screen. Which of the metal is most likely extracted by the electrolysis of its fused chloride? A, V, B, W, C, X, and D, Y. And the answer is A, V. Question 10. Which of the following substances decomposes when electric current is passed through it? A, glucose solution, B, zinc rod, C, hydrochloric acid, and D, tetrachloromethane. And the correct answer is C, hydrochloric acid. It's now your turn to show us how good you are with electrolysis. Provide the answers to questions 11 to 15 in the comment section. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video. Leave your comment and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. See you next time.